If you applied for the study visa in New Zealand under the nomination process during the 1000 students cohort or the 5000 students cohort and you are still awaiting for your result, this video is for you. My name is Navdeep from Silver Fern Education and I hope you guys are keeping well. I do want to request you guys to subscribe our YouTube official channel Silver Fern Immigration because we always update the informative videos on this channel. So let's get on to the track. Let's discuss the nomination process and the results and the processing times of those questions, because we have been getting numerous amount of calls regarding results of the nomination applications and we are basically struggling to answer all of the calls, and I thought of making this video to give an answer, a basic answer to understand the question. So if you applied for the nomination under the 5000 student cohort or the 1000 student cohort, the results are definitely coming. It's not that they have paused the results or something. They are definitely declaring the results. The results are coming very positive. I do get calls from people asking whether we are getting interviews or not on this in this scenario. I can confirm that over 98% we have not received a single interview call for the candidates. So candidates have not been getting any calls from the immigration regarding the interview process. So you can keep yourself calm in that term, but always be prepared with certain questions such as what course you are going in and which university or college you are going to study and why did you want to study in this specific course? Why did you not choose any other country than New Zealand? So be prepared in those sort of scenarios and also be prepared to answer what is your future goal after completing this course, because this will definitely backfire you. If you have not prepared this question, do prepare this question because it can definitely backfire you, as I said earlier. So as I said, nomination results are coming. They are very positive. I can't say 100%, but they are very positive results. We at Silver Fern have received over 350 study visas under the 5000 cohort study visa nomination processes, as well as we are still awaiting about 17 to 20 applications that are under process as yet with the immigration of New Zealand. So delays are there. There are applications that we received the results within 5 business days, and there are applications that we received the results within 4 months. So it's really hard to judge the timing, what time it will take for your application to be processed. There is no first come first serve basis scenario. It basically depends when your application gets picked and how good your funds are, how good your study is, and everything as such. And I hope I've answered your questions in terms of nomination process as well as the time frame it is taking to decide the applications or the results to come in. So if you want to go to New Zealand under the new rules after the 31st of July 2022, you can lodge your applications starting from 1st of August 2022. That means there are still few things that you can do now to prepare yourself for the best to lodge your application on the 1st of August or later. The first and foremost thing you can do is to apply for the offer letter in the institute, because offer letters are getting delayed. New Zealand is definitely following Australia at this point of time, because if you have noticed or if you have been following Australia study visas, the biggest pain was the offer letters. So offer letters were definitely getting delayed, and they still are for no reason. The basic reason is the Australia university and colleges are struggling to respond to that many applications, and the same rule or the same scenario will apply to New Zealand study visa or the applications that will go to the university or colleges. So best idea would be to start applying for your offer letter. There are universities that are giving you the offer letters within 1 to 2 working weeks, or there are other universities that are taking 7 to 8 weeks. So contact us to know which university is taking less time or which is the best university or college for your study or the course you are intending to go to study in New Zealand. Our numbers are written under there, so otherwise you can give us a call on 70427 18998, or you can always email us on info@silverfernedu.in. Numbers and the emails are given below. I'll see you guys in next video. Until then, best of luck.